taxation and financial freedom from the plantation of being solely dependent on income from big corporations where you trade 40 hours a week or more of your most valuable asset, your time, to hopefully retire after 40 years on 40% of what you know you're struggling to live on today. And so, guys, look, with no further ado, ladies, put your purses away. Guys, put your wallets away. There's absolutely nothing here to buy. If you're watching this presentation, it's because either I or someone else shared with you the great wealth building system with Karatbars International. And guys, today what I want to do is I want to break down the 12-week plan. I think it is the greatest financial plan that has ever been created within the industry of home-based business. And with no further ado, guys, look, buckle up your seatbelt. Let me take you down a road of financial freedom. I want to share a short video with you guys by a gentleman, Mr. Matt Riddick. He's going to break down the 12-week plan, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to break it down even more directly from the IRS, and I'm even going to demonstrate to you how you cannot lose money in a home-based business, especially if the name is Karatbars International. Are you ready? Well, let's go.
Hello, and welcome to this short video on how to build a tremendous weekly residual income with Karatbars International. If you follow this very simple yet very effective 12-week strategy, you will earn a minimum of $4,500 a week in residual income. Let me start off by saying that what I'm about to show you is a mathematical formula and is not based on the economy, the stock market, or the price of gold. It's based purely on math, combined, of course, with your efforts. Now, the key to success in any business, but especially with Karatbars, is having a system in place that anyone can follow or duplicate. The Karatbars system is very simple. Move some of your paper money into gold money. And we actually get paid for saving money, not spending money, which is great. And if you follow the plan, you can expect to get the results I'm about to show you right now. So let's now take a look at the Karatbars affiliate 12-week residual income strategy. The first thing you want to do is register and set up your free Karatbars account. Then, to become a part of the affiliate compensation plan, you'll want to immediately acquire a business package. And there are 4 different ones to choose from. And that will open up the key to the vault, the gold vault, you might say. Now, in the 12-week fast-track system, you move approximately $63 of paper money each week into gold money and put it into your gold piggy bank, you might say. And in week 1, you want to find 2 people that want to do the exact same thing. Now, before I go any further, let me show you a chart that almost everyone has seen sometime before, but it's important to understand how the Karatbars 12-week income strategy really works. Would you rather have $1 million cash right now, or a penny that doubles every day for 31 days? As the chart shows, starting with the penny and doubling it every day, at the end of 31 days, you end up with over $10 million. But notice that the big jump didn't happen until the last couple of days. Well, it's the same strategy here with our 12-week residual income strategy. This is not a 1-week plan or a 6-week plan. It is a 12-week plan, and the increase happens dramatically, just like the penny, in the last week or so. So at the end of the Karatbars 12-week strategy, you'll be earning $4,500 plus per week if you follow the system, as I'm going to outline. So let's now take a look at how the 12-week strategy works week by week. And by the way, I'm going to illustrate how much your weekly passive residual income would be if you only purchased the lowest business package, which is the bronze package, which costs about $130. Okay, so let's assume that in your first week, as I mentioned, you established your free account, you took $63 of paper money from your wallet and turned it into gold money and put it into your gold piggy bank. And you also found 2 people who did the exact same thing. And for that, you made a whole $14. Not a big deal, right? But keep in mind, in 12 weeks, providing everyone does the same thing that you did, your weekly income will be approximately $4,500 per week. And again, this is a mathematical formula. It's not speculation. Okay, now in week 2, you don't even find 2 new people. You just move $63 of paper money from your wallet, turn it into gold money, and put it into your gold piggy bank. And the 2 people you found in the first week do the same thing that you did. They acquired only a bronze business package and found 2 people who took $63 of paper money from their wallet, turned it into gold money, and put it into their gold piggy bank. Now, in week 2, as you can see, you didn't make any money. Why? Because you were helping your 2 people find their 2 people. Once again, remember, in this example, everyone is only purchasing a bronze business package, not the silver or the gold or the VIP. That's our lowest business package, is the bronze business package. In week number 3, you did exactly what you committed to do, took $63 of paper money, turned it into gold money, and put it into your gold piggy bank. And once again, you made 0 money in that particular week. But now in week 4, you took again $63 of paper money from your wallet, turned it into gold money, and put it into your gold piggy bank. But in week 4, you made a little bit more money at $26. Now remember that penny. It starts to grow very, very slowly. It's all about duplicating. Again, not a big deal, that $26, but again, everyone is doing the same thing, and the duplication process is beginning to multiply. And here's the key. Everyone was just at the bronze level, and everyone found only 2 people, not 5, 10, or 20, and everyone purchased just 1 gram of gold a week, not any more than that. Now in week 5, the same thing happens. You take $63 from your wallet, you turn it into gold money and put it into your gold piggy bank again, and this time you made $39. But now here comes the aha moment in week 6. In week 6, as you can see, you once again take $63 from your wallet, turn it into gold money, put it into your gold piggy bank. But here's the amazing news about acquiring your gold now. When you start making a certain amount of money every week with Karatbars, they will deduct the cost of 1 gram of gold for you from your commissions. So here's an important question for you. How much did that gold really cost you? The answer is 0, because you've just created a perpetual gold acquisition account. Your gold is now free because you harnessed the system that spins off a perpetual gold acquisition account. It's not coming out of your bank anymore. It's coming out of the commissions that you never had received before until now. So in essence, you're really acquiring your gold for free. And what could be better than free gold, right? All right, let's continue. In week 7, with everyone only buying, again, the lowest business package and bringing in just 2 people, you're now earning $143. In week 8, you're at $286. Week 9, as you can see, $546. Week 10, $1,131. Week 11, $2,223. And by week 12, you're now earning $4,485 per week, almost $4,500 a week, which equates to over $230,000 a year. Now remember, the 12-week residual income strategy simply revolves around you exchanging some of your paper money into gold money, finding 2 people that will do the exact same thing, and helping them find 2 people who will also follow the system just as I've outlined. Now, here's an important question you're probably wondering. How does Karatbars pay you? Well, every Friday, your earnings are placed on a Karatbars Gold MasterCard, which is given to you as a Karatbars affiliate. And this MasterCard was recently voted MasterCard of the Year. It's the best and most versatile debit card in the world. But now I want you to think about this. What would happen to your income if you started out with the silver package, which costs approximately $325, but everyone else below you still only purchased the bronze package? Well, as a silver level affiliate, you will earn twice the money that the bronze package would have paid you. And this time, by the 4th week, not the 6th week, Karatbars will be sending you free gold because of the perpetual gold acquisition account you now have. You're now getting free gold in the 4th week. But the best news of all is that in the 12th week, you're now earning twice the bronze commission level, which is going to be almost $9,000 per week. Now, the gold package gets even better. If you purchase the gold business package, which costs around $800, and everyone else below you still just purchased the bronze package, you'll now be earning $13,425 per week, or about $54,000 per month. Wouldn't that be a nice income? And all you did was take $63 of paper money from your wallet each week, turned it into gold money, and put it into your gold piggy bank, and showed 2 other people how to do the exact same thing. And it's replicated down the line. Now, here's an important note to keep in mind. You haven't really spent any money at all. You've simply moved some of your paper currency into a gold savings account, you might say. And we get paid handsomely for saving money, not spending it. Isn't that great? And by the way, the only money recognized worldwide is 24 karat 999.9 pure gold bullion. And that's what you get with Karatbars. And one more bit of great news here. If you happen to have purchased the VIP business package, which cost approximately $2,100, and everyone else below you still only purchased a bronze package, the minimum one, you'd be earning a minimum, are you ready for this? $19,900 a week in residual income, which equates to $1 million a year. Income that is not dependent on your daily personal production or activity. And by the way, at some point, everyone in your organization will upgrade to the VIP level because it only makes sense. And to upgrade, you only have to pay the difference between the cost of the business package they have now and the one that they want to upgrade to. So now that you've seen this simple 12-week strategy to building a tremendous weekly residual income of $4,500 a week or more, the only other question I have for you is, when do you want to get started? Opportunity is knocking. Are you going to answer it? So here's what I want you to do. Get back with the person who introduced you to Karatbars International and this brief overview. Tell them that you want to be on the fast-track 12-week plan to $4,500 a week in residual income. Then open up your free account right away with Karatbars, purchase a business package, and then acquire 1 gram of gold a week and find 2 people your first week who will do exactly what you just did. And then help them to do the same in your second week, and on down the line it goes. It really is just that easy and simple. Now, as a final thought, let me share with you what I think is true, and that's this. Success waits for no one. You have to go after it. And I believe that this opportunity.
Wow, guys, wasn't that exciting? Look, I know that Matt Riddick shared with you a lot of information, some very big numbers, and some of you are saying it sounds too good to be true. Well, my friend, actually, it's very true. So what I'm going to do right now is I want to jump over to TurboTax, guys. For those of you that don't know, I have been a tax preparer for over 27 years. I've been educating and teaching families the tremendous benefits of operating a home-based business. And I want to share a little bit with you today how you, my friend, cannot lose money in Karatbars International. In fact, let me just jump into the numbers, because I always say that people lie, but numbers don't. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give you an illustration of the power of launching your home-based business with Karatbars International. I'm going to do a mock tax return, guys, and go through this really quick. So we're going to name this individual John Doe and Jane Doe. We're going to come over here and we're going to apply the basic income for many of us, and that is income from a job. Now, I'm going to combine their income together for the sake of time. And again, this is the income from John Doe and Jane Doe. Together, they earn about $80,000 a year on their job. And so we're going to go ahead and apply that $80,000. And I'm going to say that they paid in 0 federal taxes for the course of the entire year, so you guys can see the full tax losses that they would get if they do not have a home-based business. I always say a home-based business doesn't cost you money. Not having a home-based business costs you thousands of dollars. And so I want you guys to watch the top numbers here in the left corner of the screen as I go and apply their state income again. $80,000 combined income for the year. And we're going to say that they paid in 0 state income taxes as well, so you can see what the full tax liability losses are. And guys, drum roll, please. And you can see that the total income loss for not having a home-based business is $7,951 in federal plus $1,935 in state, for a combined total of $9,886. So I want you guys to go ahead and write down that number. Is going to become very important at the end of this illustration. I'm going to go ahead and tuck that up at the top. Now what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to come back and we're going to apply their business. Now, again, they got started with Karatbars International. Let's talk about the 12-week plan. If you're a United States citizen and are a Canadian citizen, then you receive what's called startup costs. Now, for this illustration, I'm going to say that this couple understood the Karatbars International compensation plan, and they got started at the VIP package. That VIP package cost them about, let's say, $2,300 total cost. They got a little goal with that, and they got it on January 1st, 2017. Again, I want you to watch the numbers at the top, because here's what a lot of people don't know. The IRS will incentivize you to get started in your home-based business in the form of tremendous tax savings. Did you guys just see that this couple was able to write off the cost of their business package? So already their business is starting to work for them, and they haven't even talked to anybody yet. Okay, let me give you another illustration. As they were investigating this business, they utilized their car to come over to my wife and I's house and talk about this business. Now, they both drive BMWs, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and go through these questions, guys, relatively quickly. Again, January 1st, 2017. They hadn't yet got started in the business, but because they utilized their vehicle to investigate the business, they were able to get a major tax deduction for doing so. So let me go through these questions relatively quick, and then we'll come down to the numbers. So I'm going to enter their numbers here, guys. And for the year, they drove about 20,000 miles for the year, okay? And it says here for business, out of that 20,000 miles, I think they put like 475 miles on their car, okay, between the time that they came to see us. And so the reality is this: they actually were able to recoup the mileage for driving over to our house. I hope you guys saw that. Okay, the 12-week plan also talked about, let me get past the actuals, because you can actually write off your actuals. So they actually saved the taxes on $254 for driving over and investigating our business. Okay. Now, I love this one right here. This one right here always gets people startled a little bit, because they're like, wow, are you kidding me? You can write off the cost of your gold? Absolutely. Okay. Now, I do want to put a disclaimer out here. This is not to be presumed tax advice, because I don't know who you are. Okay. And so this couple is going to be able to write off their gold because they actually used it for advertising their Karatbars business. Yes, I did say advertising. And so they committed that the first 12 grams of gold would be used for advertisement. And so if you guys remember, let me go ahead and bring up the calculator. We're talking about 1 gram per week for the next 12 weeks. So $70 per gram, that's everything included, times 12 weeks equals $840 that they use to acquire their gold for. Okay, so let me go ahead and clear that out. And let me hit continue. As you're going to see that they're going to get a tax deduction for purchasing their gold to build their wealth. Okay, let's talk about a couple more things. They were able to use a portion of their cell phone. I'm just going to put the number down here. I can tell you that $850 of their cell phone cost was tax deductible in their business as they was even researching this business. Okay, and so let me look at some other things here, guys. Oh, here's one. This couple actually took a trip to Atlanta to see this business in real time, okay? And the trip was about $575, and they were able to get a tremendous tax savings for taking a trip to Atlanta. Okay, so what I want to do right now is go back and look at the number that they had, guys, prior to getting started in their business. They were losing $9,886. So hopefully you guys wrote this down. Let's look at where they're at right now. Federal, they're losing $7,224 plus $1,640 for a combined total of $8,864. So what we want to do is we want to minus that from what they were originally losing before they got started in their business. So $9,886 minus what they currently owe right now, which is $8,864. They not only, guys, collected 12 grams of gold, but they saved $1,022 in cash, and they hadn't really gotten started in their business. That is the power behind having a home-based business.